So how to copy photo from your iPhone to your Mac? So I will give you two different method. So you can do it with a free without downloading any apps. Suppose go to your photo. Suppose you want to send this photo or send uh, couple of photo. Suppose I am sending couple of photo and mark them, and you have to press on this icon. But before that, you need to turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone, and also turn on your airdrop on your MacBook also. So go to your airdrop option and enable it for everyone. You can also do it from your this option. Go to airport and do it for everyone. So once all done, and go to your mobile again, and you have to press on this icon, and then you can see the airdrop option. So press on airdrop, and my mobile is sorry, my MacBook is found. Press on this icon, and all file are, it's means sent, and all file are sent. Just go to your download option, and then you can see all the images here. So this is the one easy method without any software. And the second method I am giving you, you need to connect same Apple ID with your mobile and your MacBook. So I already connect with that, and you need to open your photo apps, comment space, then you can also turn on photos from here, photos, and press on open, and then you can see the random option, three images. That's mean my iCloud is not connected with the photo apps, so I need to connect it. So once you see this kind of screen, you need to go your file, sorry, photos, and then go to your setting, and then see this kind of interface. Then you have to go to your iCloud and press on iCloud photo. So once you press on iCloud photo, wait a couple of minute or second to reload all file here. So I am waiting. So I am relaunching my photo ID. So you see all photo are coming. So this is how you can easily transfer your photo from your iPhone to your Mac device easily. Hope video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below, and have a good day. Thank you very much. Please do a like and comment. Thank you. Have a good day.